Hi, Kevin from the Awareness website. We've got another continuing Classroom Classics video for you with the Awareness Tai Chi. This move is going to be talking about apparent close-up. So it's a funky little move, so hang in there, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright, this week's move is apparent close-up. So it's number 16. This move, again, like all the other moves, has got the principles, the foundations in it. And this move is repeated only 3 times in the set. And being in the first 17, it's going to be the same later on, so it's great. You can check out the first 17 moves on our video series. Go to our YouTube channel and you'll see the free 17 moves to get started with it, just to kind of see how they all go together and whatnot, plus all our other videos. We're going to get going with this move. So it follows after deflect, parry, punch. So we're going to take it from the deflect, parry, punch and go into it. So I'll move around, do some different angles, and you can see what's happening. And I'll talk about a few things as we go along through it. One of the things I wanted to mention, we had somebody make the comment that when we're doing some of the follow-throughs and whatnot, I'm looking back at the camera, so if I'm facing this way and I'm looking at the camera, I guess there was some concern that maybe some of you viewers might think that that's part of the move. So be sure to check out the other videos so you can see how the whole sequence, go through the 108 move set, just to make sure that I'm not looking over my shoulder or looking back or over to the side or anything. It makes sense, like I've got to talk to you on the camera, so when I'm doing the moves and I'm looking over, just make sure you determine that I'm doing that to talk to you guys and that that's not part of the move. Deflect, parry, punch. So you come through from the left brush knee. No, wait a minute, chopper fist, and come through deflect, parry, punch. There's so many moves. Deflect, parry, punch, and what you're going to do is a toyu. So you toyu back, the bottom hand turns, comes up to the right arm, the right hand opens, you sit down in the back leg facing 45 degrees to match up with this leg, and then turn the wrists forward, let the arms go, square up to the front, and relax and let the arms out. So it just basically ends up being a two-handed push, just like a toyu. Deflect, parry, punch. Weights in the front leg. So you use that front leg to push. The hands come together, equal and opposite separation. Drop the elbows. Turn forward with the wrists. And let the arms come forward. Kind of are focusing on using the legs in class here. So if you can push from that leg, so you push and that just straightens the body up and allows you to get turned to the 45. So all you have to do is sit down in the hips and keep that 45-degree angle. Very common thing when people start learning how to push with that front leg is they'll push themselves back, but then this hip is pushed out. So you want to make sure that you keep the weight centered between the two legs. So this leg is stretching out and this leg is taking the load, but you keep the hips balanced at that 45 degrees and not let the hip push out to the side. You can see how I get off of my leg, so I'm kind of piled up into my hip on top of the leg, and this isn't really making any contact anymore. So you want to keep the contact in this leg, bring the hips, keep the hips in the middle. And so this is very much like grass bird's tail, same kind of thing, but basically it's just toyus. So again, deflect, parry, punch, push from the leg, let the body straighten up, left hand comes up, right hand's open, hands in front of the shoulders, and sit down. Turn the palms forward and let the arms out. And then you relax again into the front leg. So I'll turn and face this way. So the same thing. Bottom hand turns as the leg pushes, comes up to meet the right arm. Drop the elbows and sit down. Turn the wrists forward and push out. I'll face the camera here and you can see how my body angles when I do the Toyu. So coming forward, you square to the front with the punch, the deflect parry punch. And then you push from the leg, come up. The body turns to the 45. Drop the elbows as you sit down. 45 degrees here. Turn the palms forward. And then you square to the front again. So that's all it is you're just toyuing, relaxing, pushing out of the back leg, relaxing back down to the front leg. And you just connect the arms with that. Push, up, keep the shoulders and body relaxed, drop the elbows, sit down, turn the palms and push. Simple enough. So if you can keep in mind all that, when you're breaking down the moves like this, again, it's a great way to focus on your principles and the foundations, to figure out a way or kind of see how your body's working with this, and using those foundations to keep things lined up and to work on the timing with each individual move. So it kind of takes away the stress of having to remember which move comes next, and you can just go piece by piece through it. Okay, so let's do a little bit of follow through. So I'll start by facing, so as if you're following me doing the set or something. And we'll take it from the deflect parry punch and go through apparent close-up. Okay, so here we are with the punch, deflect parry punch. Push from the leg, hand comes up, separate, elbows drop as you sit down, turn forward and push out. So we'll do that again. Deflect parry punch. So relax into the front leg, then push from the front leg, left hand comes up to the arm, drop elbows as you sit down into the right leg, turn the palms forward and let the arms go forward. Okay, one more time. Deflect parry punch. Relax into the front leg and then gently push from the front leg. Hand comes up, separate, elbows drop, sit down, palms forward, two-handed push. Okay, let's go at an angle this way. So deflect parry punch, push from the leg, come back for apparent close-up, sit down and drop elbows, palms turn forward and push out. So remember as you do this, punch, so when you come up, keep the shoulders relaxed, the arms are relaxed and just relax down, turn the palms, push out. So it's the legs that do the push. So push forward, punch, push from the front leg, come up, get the body relaxed, relax down, palms forward, push from the back leg, let the body and arms go. Okay, one more time at this angle. Deflect parry punch, push from the front leg, relax down into the back leg, turn the palms forward and push out. Deflect parry punch, apparent close-up, push, drop elbows and sit, keep squared in the middle, turn forward and relax. Make sure to square forward with your Toyu. Punch, apparent close-up. Okay, so now that you've practiced with me, do it at least 10 more times on your own. That kind of practice works really well. Really helps you to remember the move, really helps set it in. We'll definitely have another video coming up shortly, next week. So if you got any questions or any comments or anything, make sure to get in touch with us, either email or on the website or whatever. And for sure, check out the other videos so that you can see how the sequence goes, and so that you know that you're not having to turn your head or anything like that. I only do that just to talk to you guys on the camera. So, like us on Facebook, check out our website, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.